Hello viewers. Today we will discuss about seasonal worker visa or temporary work visa of UK. There are two types of visas available for seasonal worker visa. Horticulture and poultry. Horticulture for up to 6 months, for example, picking fruit and vegetables or flowers. You can apply at any time of year. Poultry from 2 October to the 31st of December, in the same year. Can apply by the 15th of November each year. What is required to apply? You must be 18 or over when you apply. A certificate of sponsorship reference number from your UK sponsor. Enough money to support yourself in the UK. You'll usually need to have at least £1,270 available, unless you're exempt, and an assurance from the employer that your job pays at least the minimum wage and follows the UK rules. Certificate of sponsorship. A reference number contains information about the job and employee details. Given by the sponsor or employer. Required to be mentioned on the visa application form. One-time use only. 3 months validity from the date it's assigned to you. Money to support yourself. You have to show at least £1,270 available at your bank, unless you're exempt. You will need to have had the money available for at least 28 days in a row. Day 28 must be within 31 days of applying for this visa. You may be asked to show the proof when you apply. If your sponsor can support you instead, your certificate of sponsorship must confirm this. Your sponsor will need to complete the sponsor certifies maintenance section on your certificate. This is under additional data. Documents you must provide. Your certificate of sponsorship reference number. Your sponsor will give you this. A valid passport or other document that shows your identity and nationality. Evidence like bank statements that you have enough personal savings to support yourself in the UK, unless your certificate of sponsorship shows your sponsor can support you. Blank page in your passport for your visa. The Home Office might ask you to provide additional documents after you apply. Your application must be online. As part of your application, you'll need to prove your identity. How you do this depends on where you're from and what type of passport you have. You'll either have your fingerprints and photograph taken at a visa application centre, or use the UK Immigration ID Check app to scan your identity document. You'll also create or sign into your UK Visas and Immigration (UKVI) account. You'll be told what you need to do when you apply. If you do need an appointment, the centre may need to keep your passport and documents while they process your application. You may have to travel to get to your nearest visa application centre. This could be in another country. Thank you.